Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
children,
afternoon,
please,
ma'am.
good afternoon. Please take out your workbook page number 69.
8.
68? Okay, 68. So can you tell me which question we have completed last class?
14th question.
14.
14th question.
14 is
We should do
over.
15, 14.
Yes, 15 we are going to do now. So this prime factorization, this method today, this 6.3 we are doing with the prime factorization.
Prime
Either you can,
factorization.
if they are asking use factor tree, means you have to draw that factor tree. Prime factorization means you can divide or use factor tree to find out the prime factorization. Okay,
Ma'am,
understood?
in
Last
15th,
two questions.
15th
ma'am, in
question.
15th prime factorization method.
Prime factorize using factor tree. Okay. Prime factorization using factor tree means you have to draw the
Factor
Third factor
and
tree.
you have to continue till
Ma'am, it is
all
not
the
right.
numbers are prime numbers. Yes.
Ma'am, when only prime factorization is right means you don't need to write tree method.
No need to draw the
Only
factor tree,
prime
but you have to
factorization.
find out the prime numbers. How you can
Okay, ma'am.
factorize using that. So you can use either division method or factor tree method. If they are saying use factor tree means you have to draw the factor tree. Okay, children, we will do these questions, then it will be more clear. So
Ma'am,
shall we
I
start?
got answer.
Question number 15 we will do. Now 16 is a homework because same method, same method.
Ma'am, let me tell the answer.
So page number,
Can you tell the answer?
children, page number 68. Please wait. Let them take, all of you take page number 68. Question number 15. 15. Pranav, you can you all others please mute? Please mute. Pranav, you read question number 15. Pranav, you can you hear me? Pranav, is there any connection problem there? Pranav, can you hear me? Okay,
Ma'am, I was little late because
no problem. We just started.
Ma'am,
Amanat,
can you tell?
yes,
Ma'am, can you tell?
yes, Amanat is going to read. Amanat. All others please mute. All of you please take page number 68, question number 15. Yes, Amanat.
Yes, ma'am. Prime factors using the factor 3 method.
Method. Prime factorize. Can you do? Okay, all the children, you can start doing now. And
Ma'am, I was a little late. Ma'am, so what you took? Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, I was a little late because of connectivity issues.
we just started now. Now we are just going to start. So children, I will ask one by one. You can do now alone. Question number 15. Page number 68. Those who joined now late because of the issue with the connection. Please take out page 68, question number 15. Prime factorize using factor tree method. So question number 15A, the number is 22. So you have to draw the factor tree, means we have to start from 22. Okay. Yes, Madhav. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me 22 can be written as? How we can factorize this 22? See, that last number is 2. So that means it is an even number. So this is divisible. Definitely it is divisible by 2.
Yes.
1. 1. 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. I want to get 22. Two into which number is 22? Children, if you don't know what you have to do, divide. 22 divided by 2. Yes, 2 divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? 1. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2. Again, bring down 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. So what is the number? 11. If you have doubt, you can multiply 11 into 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. So children, these two numbers, they are prime numbers. So we can write, so prime factorization of 22. Children, you can write now together with me. So prime factorization of prime factorization of prime factorization of 22. What is prime factorization of 22 means? How we can write 22? 22 is equal to 2 into 11. And we know all these 2 and 11, they are prime numbers. So this much only. Now next one, question number B. Do alone. Question number B. Question number B of 15. What is the number? 88. Okay, Agne, unmute and tell me. We'll start with the 2.
2 into 44.
2 into 44. Children, if you have any doubt, what you have to do? 88 divided by 2. Find out, then you will get 2 into 44. Yes, this 44 is again
2 into
an even
22.
number. So again, you can divide. 2 into which number?
22.
22. Okay, now this is a prime number. This is also prime number. Again, we have to divide 22 by 2.
2 into 11.
11. This is the first question. Yes. What is the prime factorization of 22? So 22 can be written as 2 and multiplied with 11. 2 into 11. So children, you can write the steps. So prime factorization of 88 is equal to
2 into 2 into
2
2
into 2 into 2 into 11. After writing, multiply and check whether you are getting this number, the big number we are factorizing. We are getting, is it 88? So children, we can write prime factor. After this, you can write prime factorization of of 88 is equal to, what is that numbers we have?
2 into 2
multiplied
into
by
2 into 11.
2, again 2 multiplied by 2, again it's 11. Okay, this much only. Prime factorization till here only we can do. First you have to draw this 88, divide it into 2 into which number? Again you can see here 44 is the composite number. Again you have to divide that and make it prime numbers. So here 2 is a prime number and 22 is the composite number. Again 2 into 11. So prime factorization means we have 2 into 2 again into 2 into 11. Till 11 only we have to write. Is that okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt regarding this factor tree?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is calling?
Ma'am, Ayman.
Ayman, yes.
Ma'am, can you show the board one more time?
Ma'am,
Yes, wait. Yes,
ma'am, the
Ayman.
answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 11.
Yes. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Look at the board again. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Multiply and check whether you get 88. 11 into 2,
Yes, ma'am.
22. 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 2, 88. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we write the answer like 2 into 2 into like that, we should start from smallest number, right?
Yes, smallest number. Okay, smallest number only. Here the smallest number, that prime number is 2. So we are just starting with the 2.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can do the next question.
Next question, it's a homework.
Ma'am, can I do it now?
No, no. You can do it now, but I told you, this is very easy now. Question number 16 is homework. Question number 17.
Ma'am, I finished.
17. We have to finish now. Question number 17. Same like that. If you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. Question number 17. Who is going to read? Anina.
Ma'am,
All others, please mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the question number 17.
Find the HCF of 24 and 32 using the prime factorization method.
Using prime factorization. So children, here you have to write like this, 2 into 2 into like that. You can use any method. You can use factorization method, that is factor tree method, or that division method. Which
Ma'am,
method
we
you
can
want?
do it
Which is
together.
easy for you?
Ma'am, division. Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
can
division
do that
method
together.
Division method is easy or factorization method?
Ma'am, tree method.
Ma'am,
division method together.
Together.
Tree method.
Together,
Together.
I will teach you
tree method.
question number 19.
Factor
Question number 19, we have to find out both HCF and SCF. Okay, that time I will discuss that.
Now we can do
You are
together.
learning this for the first time now. So if
Ma'am, can I do together?
altogether it is not there actually, but if you are confident, you can do that method. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, question number 17. I will show you these two methods, factor tree and division method. Okay. Question number 17. So children, we have to find out the prime factors of 24 and 32. So 24, how will I draw the factor tree? See children, all the questions I will not do.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Excuse me, ma'am.
Agnes is the host. Ma'am is the host. Two hosts.
Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so two method means I will show you using factor tree and division method. You can use your which more comfortable with you. You can do that method. Okay. So I will show you one question only. All other questions you have to do. Question number 17. You have to find the prime factors of 24 and 32. Then find out the HCF. So 24. Yes, children, are you there? Yes? It's network issue.
Yes,
Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
Yes,
ma'am.
you can do that. Can you tell me that prime factorization of 24?
8. Ma'am, 8 is the HCF.
Wait. We will do together. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. So that is correct. So you can use either factor tree method or this division method. But you have to write like this prime factorization. Now 24. And which is the next number? That is 32.
Excuse me, ma'am.
32. Yes.
Excuse me. Ma'am, is it compulsory to use prime factorization method?
Can you read question number 17? Can you read question number 17?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
17. Can you read?
Find the HCF of 24 and 32 using the prime factorization method.
Oh, okay. If they are asking prime factorization method, what do you have to do? Yes?
And we should use
Understood?
this, ma'am.
Because that question is you have to find. Okay. Now, Agnai, can you please tell me the prime factorization of 32? 2 into? Can you say
Two.
this? 2 into?
2 into
Uh, you have done not prime
ma'am,
factorization
I have done it together.
together. Then also you can say 2
Ma'am,
into
I got HCF only.
HCF only. So 32. 2
Ma'am,
into which
16.
number?
2
16.
into 16.
Okay. 16 can be written as 2 into 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 4.
4.
4 can be written as 2 into.
2 into 2.
So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Okay, children. So 32 can be written as. Check again whether when you multiply, you are getting 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. Now,
Ma'am,
find
8 is the answer.
HCF.
Yes,
Okay.
Ma'am, 8 is the answer.
Now, children, here we
8.
will take one. Okay, children, you got 8. We will check now. 2 and 2. One time. Here again 2 into 2. Here 2. Here 2. So, we are getting 2 can be taken maximum. We can take, because this is highest common factor, means it should be common in both the numbers. Here these 2 is there, but here it is not there. Here we have 3, but it is not here. So we cannot take. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is 8.
8.
8 is the
HCF.
F. Okay, children. So first what we had to do? We had to write 24 as the product of prime numbers. 32 also you can write the product of prime numbers. Then HCF only if it is common in both the numbers, we can take HCF. But LCM means what? You can take the maximum number that is repeated. Yes? What? You want to see?
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 2, 6.
2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2, only 6. We are adding, no. We are doing multiplication. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, children, is there any doubt in finding HCF using this method?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
clear?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so we have done question number 17. Now, next one, we will do question number 18, but that is LCM. Here we will do same using prime factorization method. Okay. Anandesh, what are the numbers? We have to find out the LCM. What are the numbers we have to do?
24 and
Same number. Okay. Same 24 and 32. Yes. So we have already the answer with us. Children, how we can take here? Okay, I will write it here, LCM. That this is question number 18, but we can take the prime numbers from here. So this is question number 18. The same numbers, but here we have to find out
Multiple.
LCM, least common multiple. So children, look here. 24 can be written as 24 can be written as 2 into, same here we have 2 into 3. And 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we should take
Off.
two.
Yeah.
two,
1 minute. We'll
Ma'am,
take.
2
Ah,
is the least common pair.
yes, yes.
2 is least common multiple.
That we are going to do now. Now, okay. Here, children, check when you multiply, you are getting this 24. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, we are getting 24. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Into 2, 32. Now here LCM. Children, here we have to take the maximum number of times here. Yes, Angelina. Here.
Yes.
Here we have 3, 2. Here we have 5, 2. So which is the maximum number of times it's repeated? 5. So we have to write 5 times. 2 into 2. 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. And one more thing is there. Here there is no 3, but here 3 is repeated. How many times?
1
3.
time.
1 time. So write. Multiply and tell me the answer.
4 in
2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 2,
96.
32 into 3. The answer is 96. Now all the children look at this question number 17 and 18 and find out the difference between LCM and HCF. Here we have written the factors and here also we have written the factors. Highest common factor means it should be common in both the numbers. But least common means it need not be common in both. Here we have to take the maximum number. One number is, one factor is repeated, and which is the next number also, which is repeated. Maximum times if it is repeated, we can take that. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? What is the difference
ma'am.
between LCM and HCF? LCM means we have to take the maximum number of times each factor is repeated. Maximum number of times.
Can we record one more, please? One more. Share the screen.
One by one, one by one.
Ma'am, the time is 2 o'clock.
Can
2,
you
5
share?
only. Yes, Angelina, tell me fast. What?
Ma'am, we should write the factor 3 in 18th question also.
Factor 3, no need. But we have to write as the product of factors. We have to write the factors. Okay, Fia, what you are asking?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Again, I will share the screen. See, children, we will do 19.
Ma'am,
Then
LCF, I have not understand LCF.
LCM, look here. How many times 2 is repeated maximum here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have only 3. Look at the board, Fia. You are asking me and you are looking somewhere. Here 5 times and here only 3 times. So LCM means we have to take the maximum. Which is more, 3 or 5? 5. So we have to write 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 3 is 1 time. Here nothing is there. So maximum is 3 is 1 time. So that also you have to take and multiply. Only that much. Okay, we will do one more question, then you will understand. Okay, children. Take question number 19. We have 5 more minutes. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When 19th on HCM and LCM, we can do it together.
Together. Okay, together. So, question number 19.
Ma'am, we don't have enough space to write. We should write to write detail.
Yes?
Write the steps. We don't have enough space to write the steps.
Steps, no place for writing question number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take A and B like this. A one side, B one side.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can do it together.
Together, first I told you, in your book, we are all these, we have to find out the prime factors. But I will show you after writing these steps, because in your book, this is the method. But I will We will first write this as prime factors, then find out the HCF and LCM. Then I will show you how to take that together. But in your book, you will write like this because this is a method given here. Maybe in your
Ma'am,
next
can
year,
we write tree method? Tree method.
tree method means that is only to find out the factors. Okay. Question number 19. Yes, this 36. How you can write? 2 into
Can write,
36
write
into
that.
2.
Ma'am, we can write tree method and find the HCF and LCM of both.
Ma'am, we should find this now.
Yes, sir.
What? Factor tree you can use to write the factors only. Yes.
And we can find LCM.
Then we can find out the HCF and LCM.
Ma'am, can we write like this? Thank you.
Okay. So children, so this 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See, this is our aim, to write 36 as the product of prime numbers. Either you can use division or you can use factor. These two methods, no problem. Now, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 12 into 3 is 36. Now, again, next number is 42. 42, you know how you can write 6 into 7, or this 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Check. 7 into 3 is 21 into 2, 42. Or we can say 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 7 is 42. Now, from here, what is the HCF? HCF. Yes, Anthony, please unmute and look at the prime factors and tell me HCF. We can take 1, 2 from here, 1, 2 from here. Is there any 2 here? No.
No, ma'am. 2.
Here we can take 3 and 3.
3 and 3. Yes, ma'am.
Can we take this 7?
3. No, ma'am.
No. So only these 2 and 3 is common. So what is 2 into 3?
Common.
6.
6.
And what about LCM? LCM. Check how many times 2 is repeated maximum.
2 times. 2 times. 2
Here
times.
2 is repeated 2 times. So we can take 2 into 2. Here only 1 time. See, here 3 is repeated 2 times, here 1 time. So maximum
2 times.
2 times. 3 into 3. Here we don't have 7, but here 7 is repeated 1 time. Into 7. Multiply and tell me the answer.
21 into 3.
2 into 2?
2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3.
4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36 into 7. What is 36 into 7?
36 into 7.
I got 250T. What is your answer, children? What is LCM? Who got the answer?
Ma'am, I got.
252. Okay, very good. 252. Check again, all of you. When you multiply, you are getting 252. 252. Now, children, only 1 minute. I will show you that together method. B is homework, okay? B is homework. Now, 36 and 42 children, this Agnay and Chinmay was asking whether we can do it together. So, this together, it's very important in your higher classes. So, 2 into 36, when you
And
multiply, you will get
18.
here 2 and 1, 21. Now, 2 is not possible because here
3.
1. So, we'll take 3.
3.
3s are 18.
6.
7 into 3.
7.
For children HCF, we have to stop till here because 2 into 3 only possible. Here 6 and 7, there is no common.
6.
Understood? All of
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
same, we will take 36 and 42. But for LCM, you have to do till, we will take 18 here. It's 21. Same 3.
3.
and 7.
3,
Ah.
6, 7.
Now children, again you have to take 2.
6.
2 into 3 is 6. But here we cannot divide by 2. So we will write 7 same like that. Now 3 we can take one time. 7 we cannot divide. Again we will take 7. Children, we will do for LCM till 1, 1. That I will show you again in the next class, because now no time. So children, this is the method when you do together. In HCF, children will listen please. I will do like these problems next class, because that will be easy for you in your future classes. So for HCF, we will stop till we can take the common factors. But for LCM, we will do, even there is no common factors for both the numbers, we will divide till we will get 1, 1. Okay, that method we will practice in our next class. But question number 19B also you have to do as homework. It is same like as 19A. Okay, children? Can you do this 19B as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
These
Yes, ma'am.
two numbers together, LCM and HCF, we will practice some more questions in our next class. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.